Hi everyone, it's Casey from Casey's Workshop. I've got an idea, and I was walking around my yard and I saw this. I used to have it sitting on one of my little bistro tables with oranges and grapefruit in it, but now that we have rats, I don't want to encourage that, and I just don't have any fake fruit, so I thought I would make a bird feeder, but I have to be able to take it out of whatever I put it in to clean it out when it rains or whatever, and of course I'm going to wash it. But look at my allergies, they're still happening. But anyway, I'm going to walk around my yard, look for some limbs, and some I've already cut and they're just piled, and up in my tree in the front yard, and find the right combo, because I want it about at least chest high, so the birds feel safe while they're eating. So that's my idea, and off to the yard. Okay, found these three to consider, and now I'll go to another part of the yard. Okay, here's 5 to consider. That one's a nice long one. Okay, now we'll go out in the front yard. Okay, I also found these. This one's very promising. I found them in my potting shed. In this one I had used as a plant grow stick. But okay, now we'll go out front. Okay, this is my awesome tree that gives me all these wonderful limbs, and as you can see, there's a whole lot to choose from, and those right there, those are nice and gnarly. Oh, the ideas that come to mind. Oh, here's a bench I made. Sits out in the front yard. See what I mean by all the choices I have? And look how it grows. It even over here, look at that big old gnarly thing. Forget what this mesquite. Yeah, it's a mesquite tree. And this puppy grows fast. But anyway, okay, I'll go see what I can do with the already pre-cut, and if not, I've got plenty of sticks out here. Okay, I'm gonna do this stick in 3 pieces. Okay, now that I've got those 3 pieces as standbys, I'm using these 2 longer pieces I had to extend the height right here, and then I'm going to drill into here, and then maybe wrap some rope around, and then the actual ceramic will sit between these 3, and if I need more structure, I'll add these. Because by the time I get this piece into the ground, I'll probably put it up to here, and that would make it too short to make it right here. So that's why I'm adding this height, because right now it's about 5'7", 5'6", and I want it, well, by the time it'll be about 4 feet, and I wanted it a little bit taller, but this will have to do. And I'm going to take down my other bird feeder because I noticed today the wood's starting to rot, and I'll put this little tree there. And see my little babies up there? This time of day I usually feed them, and I've already fed them, so they're just wondering if I've got more. Oh, and about that dove that made a nest in my patio, in my chandelier. She's sitting on her nest now, so I can see her from my window, and I wish I could get up there and make it more of a sturdy nest, you know, build it for her, but I know she wouldn't dig that. But let's just hope it's sturdy enough that she stays up there and the babies stay up there. Okay, go get my drill. Okay, there's my ending of my bird feeder, and these little birds are drying with silicone overnight, and voila. There's different places the birds can land, and even down here if they want to. So that's just an idea for twigs. Good night, all.